Namaste children. This is part 6 of the India's foreign policy chapter. In this part I am going to explain you about the India-Israel relations. Students, you all know India got independence from British rule in 1947 and Israel got independence from British rule in 1948. Despite this, India's relation with Israel was not good. One more reason was there. The main reason was Israel is close to USA. Good friends. Both are good friends. Fine. So nearly 45 years after independence, due to political reasons, India's foreign policy in the Middle region, we will talk about the India's foreign policy in the Middle region, now called West Asian region. This area, Middle region, is called West Asian region. India's relations mainly concentrated with Islamic countries. In Middle East, Israel played a major role. Students, Israel is a Jewish state. So here question is why India's relations were not good from independence to till 1991 with Israel. Before telling you about these reasons of not good relation with Israel, so first we see the history of Israel. Here I will tell you in brief and I will give you my notes in which history of Israel is in I have explained. Fine. So if we will see the history of Israel, Israel was created in 1948 through a UN mandate, United Nations mandate, divided the state of Palestine to create Israel. Before 1948, no Israel state was there, and neighborhood of Israel is Jordan towards west, Syria towards the north, and one more north state is Lebanon. And towards southwest you have Egypt. Is it clear, girls? All these are Arab nations, and Israel created in 1948. So the division of Palestine was happened on the basis of religion. As earlier I told you, Israel is a Jewish state. Fine. In these, here we see the wars between the Palestine and Israel. There were mainly 3 wars between both of these countries. So first was 1948 war, second 67, and then 1973 war. In these all wars, Arab countries helped Palestine. Fine, girls. And in 1948, Israel controlled all those areas which were given to Palestine through a UN mandate. Fine, girls. If we will see the reasons why India's relations are not good with Israel from independence to till 1991. So here first reason is India's good relations with Arab countries, because India import oil from the Arab countries. India is depend on Arab countries for oil. Second reason is Israel was created by dividing the Palestine. If India support Israel, it means India support the division of its own territory in which Pakistan created in 1947. These were the 2 reasons. Third is Israel is close friend of USA because India adopt the policy of NAM, non-alignment policy. So here also this was the reason. USA always support Israel, Pakistan, and USSR support to India. Now situation changed after 1991 when USSR disintegrated in 15 republics, and we will see the change between the situation in the foreign policy of the India close with USA also after 1991. India close with Iran, Arab countries, and India also try to maintain its good relations with Israel also. Fine. Students, though historical and cultural ties between India and Israel have gone back from times immemorial, diplomatic relations formally developed between the two after the opening of Israeli embassy in India in 1992. And the relation between two countries started gaining firmness only after the formation of the BJP-led NDA governments in 1996 and 1998 onwards. So here we see our relations, India's relations was good at the time of when Israeli embassy in India in 1992 opening. Fine. But now the relation between both the countries become more strong after the formation of the BJP government, or you can say the BJP-led NDA governments in 1996 and 1998 onward. Relations between two democratic nations, India and Israel, further intensified with the visit of two heads of the government, Prime Minister Narendra Modi to his visit to Israel in 2017 and Israel's Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu to India in 2018. So India and Israel's relations became more strong, and the two nations started cooperation in various fields. So here we see how and in which areas India and Israel started their cooperation in different fields. First, we will see cultural exchange. Second, security and defense. Third, counter-terrorism. And next is space research, water and energy, and agricultural development. So these are the areas where both countries cooperate to each other. Both the countries see lot of opportunity in developing good relations. So students, this is all about the India-Israel relations. In the next part of this chapter, India's foreign policy, I will explain you about the India's nuclear policy.